This circuit breaker finder combines breaker tracing, outlet testing, and ground fault protection checks in one compact tool, which makes troubleshooting household and light commercial circuits much more efficient. The large backlit liquid crystal display clearly shows voltage, wiring status, and signal strength, so you can quickly understand what is happening even in dark panels or cramped spaces. Its transmitter doubles as a dedicated ground fault outlet tester, using clear indicator lights and on-screen wiring details to identify several common wiring problems without extra equipment. An auto-hold function keeps the last voltage and wiring results visible after you unplug, which is very handy when you are moving between the outlet and the breaker panel. The receiver includes a non-contact voltage detection feature, letting you confirm live circuits without touching bare conductors, which adds an extra layer of safety on the job. A sturdy carrying case and a thoughtful set of adapters for older 2-slot outlets, light sockets, and clip-on connections make this kit versatile and easy to transport for both professionals and serious do-it-yourself users.